Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another video. This is a beast PC for multitasking, content creation and of course gaming. The total price excluding the monitor is 1,84,000 rupees. So let's begin with the component I'm going to use in this build and we will assemble it. For the processor we have got Ryzen 9 7950X3D. This is 16 core 32 threads, has a beast performance. This is available for 59,000 rupees. To pair a motherboard we have got MSI X670E Gaming Plus Wi-Fi and this is available for 24,500 rupees. Has got all the bells and whistles to run this processor. For the RAM we have got G-Skill Trident Z Neo. This is 6000 megahertz. This is 16x2 and CL30. This is not CL32 or 36. This is CL30. Will be a great performing PC. So we are using one of the best RAM and 2 RAM slot would be empty, so customer can add 2 more RAM in future. For the SSD we have got WD Black. This is SN770 1TB for 5,950. We have compromised a bit on SSD, so keeping the budget in mind for the SSD we have compromised a bit. If you're planning the same build, probably Gen 5 SSD or 990 Pro, 990 Evo would be a certainly better choice. So this is what we have for SSD. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. By the way, if you want to go ahead and check the latest price, do consider Techmart, Unbox.com. The links are given in the description box below for the latest price. Whatever prices I'm telling you in this video, this would be today's price. So if you're watching the video in future, just make sure go to the link and check the latest prices. I will also mention Amazon links. If you wish to check them, go ahead and check Amazon also, but our website would have the best price guaranteed. So for the power supply we have got from MSI A850GL. This is gold certified power supply for 8,750 rupees and this power supply is ready with the ATX 3.1. It comes with latest PCI cables as well. For the graphic card we have got SROG. This is 7900 GRE, available for 53,000 rupees. Again, the prices are for today. In future may go down or may go up. So 53,000 rupees for the graphic card and it is a 16 gig of graphic card from AMD 7900 GRE. And last but not the least, we have the cabinet, which is Velox 100R from MSI for 9,200 rupees. This is a very suitable cabinet. We will be using a liquid cooler which is 360mm. This is for 12,600. The liquid cooler is really nice, good performing. You can check the online benchmarks. This is a really good performing cooler for 12,600 rupees and this is from MSI and this is what we have for cooling for this PC. And 360 liquid cooler is compatible with the cabinet since the cabinet supports 360mm liquid cooler. Although I have also made a cabinet unboxing and review video. I will share the link in the description box below for that cabinet review. If you wish to consider the cabinet for your next build, you can go ahead and check the review for this cabinet. And for Windows key we will use cheapokeys.com. Windows keys available for 199 and 225 rupees for Windows 10 and Windows 11. For this PC we'll go with Windows 11 Pro OEM for 225 rupees. Do consider to buy Windows keys from there and you'll get it genuine. So yeah, let's go ahead and begin with the PC build for 1,84,000 rupees. I am sure the customer is gonna love it, so as you. So let's begin with the PC build now. Alright, so we're done with the PC build. This PC is performing really nice, and I really wanted a similar PC for myself. Although I'm using the 5000 series, which is Ryzen 9, but this is on extreme level. So if you're looking for a PC, visit techmartunbox.com. You can contact us. The contact details are available on the website. You can chat with us. We'll share the quotation, the best price possible, along with the build. Shipping is free all over India. We ship all over India. Techmart Unbox is shipping PCs to all over India since 2014. We do have a website called cheapokeys.com. Do consider checking out the Windows keys for $199 and $225. Also, games are available on cheapokeys.com. Antivirus are available. If you have any questions related to this build or any other build, do let us know in the comment box below, or you can also directly contact us. And so that's about the video, and I hope you have liked it. Do not forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay best. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video.